Dear students, today we are going to discuss the nomenclature of carbon compounds, especially the hydrocarbons. According to IUPAC system, IUPAC system, International Pure International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Carbon compounds have been given names which have two parts, the prefix and the suffix. Prefix determines the number of carbon atoms present in a molecule. For example, if a carbon compound contains one carbon atom in its molecule, we use the prefix meth. For two carbon atoms, we use eth. For three carbon atoms, we use prop. And for four carbon atoms, we use but or but. For five carbon atoms, we use pent. For six, we use hex prefix, and for 7 we use hept, and for 8 we use oct. For 9 carbon atoms we use none, and for 10 carbon atoms we use the tech. And this is the prefix. And the suffix, focus on this. Suffix determines the nature of the compound. If the compound contains only single bonds between carbon atoms, we use the suffix ane. For those compounds which contain at least one double bond, we use the suffix ene, and for the compound containing at least one triple bond, we use the suffix yne. Let's focus on these examples here. Please focus here. Here is a compound. It is C4H10. This is the molecular formula, and this is its structural formula. See, here our carbon atoms are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 carbon atoms, we use the prefix. For 4 carbon atoms, we use 4 carbon atoms, we use prefix but. We write here but or but. Now see the nature of the bonds. All carbon atoms are linked by single bonds. For single bonds, we use the suffix ane. Now the name of the compound became butane. Let's take on one more example. Here is a compound. It is C2H4, its molecular formula, and this is its structural formula. See here, it contains 2 carbon atoms. For 2 carbon atoms, we focus here, we use the prefix eth. We will write the prefix of the name eth. Since the compound contains double bond, we use the suffix ene. Now its name became ethane. Focus on one more example here. Here is a compound. It is C3H4. See here. It contains how many carbon atoms? See, 1, 2, and 3. For 3 carbon atoms, we use, focus here, the prefix prop. We write here the name prefix prop. And it contains one double bond, hence we write the suffix yne. Now its name became propyne. Propyne. Similarly, any carbon compound which contains 6 carbon atoms and has all 6 bonds, its name will be pentane. A carbon compound containing 7 carbons in its molecule and containing all single bonds, its name will be hexane. Similarly, see here, if we write the name here, octane. Octane. Oct means 8 carbon atoms. C8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. ane means all bonds are single. Since each carbon forms the 4 covalent bonds, here will be 3 hydrogens Here are two bonds. There will be two hydrogens. Here symbol will be there two hydrogens. Here will be two. Here will be two. Here will be two. Here will be two, and here will be three. Now its name will be octane, and this will be its structure. Inshallah, we will discuss the rest of this topic in the next class because it's very difficult for us to upload long classes. Thanks.